Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Yaris front bonnet. First, you will need to find the bonnet release lever inside the cabin. This is typically located on the driver's side, often below the dashboard or near the footwell. Once you locate it, give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound, indicating the primary latch has disengaged and the bonnet has slightly lifted. The bonnet release lever in your Toyota Yaris is designed for easy access, usually marked with a small car icon showing an open bonnet. Pulling this lever releases the first of two latches. This initial release allows the bonnet to lift just a few millimeters, creating a small gap. This is a crucial first step before you can fully open the bonnet and access the engine bay. Now walk to the front of your Toyota Yaris. With the bonnet slightly ajar, you will need to locate the secondary safety latch. This is typically found in the center, just under the front edge of the bonnet. Gently feel around for it. Once found, push or slide this small latch to one side, often to the left, while simultaneously lifting the bonnet with your other hand. This action fully releases the bonnet. With the bonnet fully open, locate the prop rod, also known as the bonnet stay. It's usually attached to the underside of the bonnet or within the engine bay. Securely place the end of the prop rod into its designated slot to hold the bonnet open safely. When you are finished, remove the prop rod, lower the bonnet to about 12 inches or 30 centimeters above the latch, and then let it drop to close securely. Always double-check it is firmly closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.